Every day your brain is either becoming stronger or gradually getting weaker. The surprising part is that most people never even realize it's happening. It's not because they were born with less intelligence. It's because of small everyday habits repeated again and again. Your focus slowly becomes weaker, your memory starts fading, and your mind becomes addicted to constant distractions. Before these habits completely take over your brain, here are the biggest reasons your IQ may feel lower than it should. 1. Social media is rewiring your brain. Every time you endlessly scroll through short videos, your brain becomes conditioned to instant entertainment. As time passes, your attention span gets shorter, and reading books, studying, or thinking deeply begins to feel boring. Your brain starts craving non-stop stimulation, making it much harder to concentrate on important tasks. The more distracted your mind becomes, the more difficult it is to think clearly. And without strong focus, your intelligence slowly weakens. 2. Poor sleep makes your brain less effective. Many people proudly claim they sleep only 4 or 5 hours every night, but a lack of sleep seriously affects your brain. Sleep is the time when your brain repairs itself, strengthens memories, and restores mental energy. Without enough rest, your reaction speed slows down, your memory becomes weaker, and even simple tasks feel more difficult. A tired brain struggles to think clearly and make smart decisions. That's why many highly successful people treat sleep as a priority. 3. Multitasking is ruining your focus. Many people believe multitasking makes them more productive, but in reality, it does the opposite. Constantly switching between messages, social media, videos, apps, and work forces your brain to repeatedly reset its attention. This weakens your ability to focus deeply on one task for an extended period. And deep focus is one of the most valuable skills for becoming smarter. The more distracted your brain becomes, the harder it is to learn, remember, and think effectively. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.